Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Celia the Orange, who is a very cute little squishmallow. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like or maybe comment and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to start the drawing with our basic squishmallow shape, which is kind of like the shape of a chicken nugget, I usually say. So we just come on down here on both sides, and we can round out the bottom a bit. Also kind of like the basic shape of like a book bag or a knapsack. So there we have it. We have our basic squishmallow shape. Now Celia, as an orange, has like a little leaf up here. So there we go. And now we're going to do the same shape we just made, only a little bit smaller and inside that shape. Like that. All right, so now let's do the eyes, and we're gonna do them not quite, we're gonna go not quite to the middle, but we're gonna go a little bit up. So I'll say about here. So I'll put one circle here, then a little ways over, I'll do another one. And I'll color those in all black after. But we've got two little cute eyelashes. And on the other side. And then a cute little smile. Happy little orange. And a little circle here. And over here on those little cheeks. They're going to be colored in pink. They're going to be like little blushy cheeks. And then down here, let's do a triangle shape, but it's not going to be a pointy triangle. The edges are going to be curved. So like that. And then one on this side, a little bit smaller. And one right here, smaller still, like that. And we're going to do the same on the other side. All right, so there we go. We are finished our drawing, and I'm going to get started coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished drawing our cute little squishmallow. So thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye.